Hello Disney family, and welcome back to my channel. So happy Halloween! Today is Halloween and I'm actually shooting this video on Halloween, but I wanted to make sure I got it up for you because I'm very excited about today's video. So if you are new here, a little bit about my content. I'm a mom of 2 little girls, so I do a lot of parenting at Disney. I also do unboxings and I do unbaggings and I do DIYs. So if you like that kind of content, go ahead and hit that little red subscribe button below because I would love for you to join my Disney family. Now today I'm very excited because I'm doing something brand new on my channel, and that is a subscription box. Now I have seen subscription boxes all across YouTube, but I have never been able to do one on my own, and today I'm going to share my subscription box with you. So today I received in my mail a Walt Life subscription box, which I'm very excited about because it is Halloween themed. And so I thought today was a perfect day to share it with you. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about the subscription boxes from Walt Life. And of course, I will leave a link below, so if you're interested in getting your own Walt Life subscription box, go ahead and look in my description. So I've got kind of their information pulled up right now, and they've got several different kinds of boxes that you can build. They've got the Magic Plus box, they've got the Kingdom box, they've got a Magic box. So they have a snack box, a classic box. They have all different kinds of boxes you can choose from. You can choose to do a reoccurring, you can choose to just do 1 month. And then they also have a pin box for those people who are pin collectors out there. So let's hop into my Walt Life box. And of course, it's super adorable. If you can see, it's got Halloween themed, and then on the front it says Walt Life, not so spooky delivery. Ha ha ha, I get it. But then on the side, look at this, it says Happy Halloween. Now it did come shrink wrapped. I had opened the shrink wrap, my daughter opened the box, but let's look at this box together. Oh wow. So the inside has all this like fun, cute little things. We're villains and knaves, drink up me hearties yo-ho, simply meant to be, phenomenal cosmic power, itty-bitty living space. So it's got like cute little Disney quotes all over from different Disney movies, and then it's got ways that you can actually win another Walt box, I think. Yes, I think it's another Walt box, you could win one, and it's got like how you can win it. And then, oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, so the very first thing is this Funko Pop Home Jack ceramic mug. And now I've seen the vinyl characters, but I've actually never seen like a mug or anything other than the pop figurines. So here is the Jack mug. Really cute. Obviously it's his face, and then if you look, let me see. If you look on the side, it's got kind of like bone detailing, which I love. So I'm assuming this is probably a Halloween themed box. Oh, this is cute. They send like a little, oh, so inside, this is in the bottom, so I didn't even see this. It's got what my treasures are. Oh, this is really cute. So it's got, it tells me exactly what I'm getting. And then it's got like a little description box. Okay, oh my goodness, look. Oh, it's got like a little Walt Life. Oh look, you can color it, and it's got a little puzzle. Oh, Ruthie's gonna love this. Yeah, you want it? Come get it. Ruthie's here. Here. Oh, and then it's got a really cute little bookmark. Look at that. It's got a little witch reading and a little apple. I love it. All right, next it looks like I have a little pin right here. So it says, a ghost will follow you home, and it's part of the Disney Parks collection. It's silver pricing, but it is a haunted mansion. But look, he's carrying a little lantern. It's got little bats around it. Super adorable. One of the ghosts will follow you home. So we already kind of saw what was going to be in the box as like a little preview. And so I see why they put the slip in the bottom so that you can kind of unbox it. But it's got these 2 little Jelly Belly Minnie Mouse jelly beans. And I've never had them. I've seen them in the parks, but I know that Ruthie is going to love these little jelly beans. You wanna hold them? We're not gonna open them right now. Do you wanna hold them? Come here. And then next is this interchangeable charm bracelet. Oh, cute, and it's Jack Skellington, so it's got like a Jack and a Sally, and then like the little potions. No, the little potions. All right, let me take it out of the packaging so you guys can actually see. So it's a little Nightmare Before Christmas necklace set. So it's got the little potion bottle, like I said. Oh, looks like it's got detailing on the actual potion bottle. That's cool, you can't see that initially. And then it's got Jack and then Sally. Oh, so on the front it says Deadly Nightshade. Okay, it is. It's one of, I think they're Sally's potion bottles. So it looks like a little Sally potion bottle. And then finally, these adorable little Tsum Tsum socks, and they've got little, they're Mickey socks. So here are these. Now I really want to show you the detailing inside this box because it says Happy Halloween and then it's got Jack, but it says Walt Life Treasures game board on the back. So I just kind of wanted to open this up and see what was happening with this. And it looks like, okay, Walt Life Treasures. So from October 1st, 2018 to October 1st, 2019, you collect Walt, collect Life, collect Walt Life, and collect Walt Life without any wilds. Okay, so it's like a little game, and I got a little coin, collect all 8 Walt Life coins and win a trip for 2 to Walt Disney World. So that's pretty cool, and I guess the more boxes you get, the more chances you have to win. So you can redeem your prize, but it looks like you just stick it in. Okay, so I got that eye, obviously. I got an eye, so you put right there. And I'm sure that you can go online and look at the official rules and everything, but pretty cute. If you like this content and you want to see more things like this, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button. Really helps me figure out what kind of content you guys are enjoying. And if you have enjoyed my Disney family, go ahead and hit that little red subscribe button because I would love to see you back here. And thank you so much, Walt Life, for sending me this subscription box. I really enjoyed unboxing it on my channel. Like I said, it's my first time having a subscription box, so I will leave all of their information down in the description box below. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. Happy Halloween!